Those are my two dogs. Black one's my 10-month-old Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. The other one's my German Shepherd Lobo. It's probably about 6:30 or so. We've been walking in a snowstorm. We've gotten probably 5-6 inches. Got another inch or so to go, about 15 degrees. Beautiful morning if you like this kind of weather. And I do. What? Got up bright and early so we have the area to ourselves. Don't mind all the snow and ice on my beard and hat. It's just par for the course. I apologize if you hear me sniffling a bit. It's because of all this snow and ice on my face. It just makes me feel like I have to. This is slippery. Should have worn my chains in my boots today. I forgot to put them on though. Really slick along here. Kind of a narrow ledge. And it's sandstone with a bunch of snow and ice on it. Thought we'd get up bright and early this morning and enjoy all this while it's still falling before anybody comes down here. Just beautiful. Just beautiful down here. I think so. But I grew up in this kind of weather, so I'm used to it. Take the stream bed. I think I'm going to pause this while I go down here briefly. Be the panoramic 360. Cool. Took the same walk I did last week, last Sunday, with that kind of creepy little lean-to house here. Again, it's like a weird, creepy little structure somebody's built. We got all these weird containers in here, and flowers and pots. We've even got a little Christmas tree and a shovel hidden back there. Again, just kind of weird. Well, I'm sliding all over the place. You guys get a big laugh out of watching me father? Come on, Kurgan. Oh boy. I'm at the balancing rocks, and there are some new balancing rocks. They're under the snow. You can see there's some there sticking out of the snow. Come on, Kurgan. We're going to take this way. Nope. This way. Good boy. Don't be getting all full of bears. That way. Coming out pretty good right now. Down there's the valley we were hiking through. It's ice in my mustache, not snot. It always happens in the winter. So don't get grossed out. Man, the snow is just pelting me in the face. You get a pretty decent workout trudging around in this stuff when it starts getting deep. Well, I'm going to wind this clip out here. If you made it this far, thanks for coming along. Like, subscribe, and share. Help me grow. Hit the notification button if you liked it a lot so you don't miss any. That's all, folks. Bye.